3,
2,
1.
And we're in the air! Oh, flying over the Sahara now. It's about 6:15 PM local time. Everything seems to be in order. There's a lot of cloud cover, but I think it'll start to clear up in a second. Our cloud cover is just starting to clear up now. Oh wow, I can see the stars. Oh, isn't it beautiful? You can see the moon up there. Oh, that really is beautiful. Oh, we're going off course a little bit. We're going to have to bank to the right. 3, 2, 1. That's much better. Oh. And now, oh, then of course again, banking to the left. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there appears to be a loose bolt in my engine. I can hear it. That's going to be a serious problem. We're going to have to force a landing in the desert. Turbulence is getting worse. We're going down.